Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call French toast. You have to use a good bread. My daughter bought this bread, and she paid $1 for it. And I said, you should have bought three or four of them, but she bought one. So we're going to make some French toast. So what we're going to need is 2 eggs, some powdered sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla, and evaporated milk. Now you're going to pour this evaporated milk in here just like this, and going to whisk those eggs up. Just like that. I'll pour it in there just enough that the eggs won't be so intense. And we're going to show you what we do next. All right, we got our bread sliced and it smells delicious. So what we're going to do is dip the bread into the egg mixture and let's sit for a minute or two, just like that. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious already. We're just going to dip it like this. We're going to do two of them. Let's see, off the camera, okay? We're going to do another one to the side. Now you can put a lot of egg on there if you want, but just dip it one time is enough. Now you can soak it for about a minute or two, but don't over soak it. You can soak it for about 30 seconds, and that should be sufficient. At least 30 seconds so it can penetrate the bread. And I'm telling you, we're going to get ready to fry it. And when we get ready to fry it, we're going to use canola oil and butter to fry this bread. So we'll be right back. All right, we at the stove, and we're going to add our bread to the not margarine, but butter and canola oil. Just like this, y'all. And we're going to let it simmer. Well, it's not simmering. We're going to let it cook on both sides. So I say about 2.5 minutes so you can get that real good flavor or that real good crust. I'm kind of a little upset today, but other than that, I thank God for this wonderful day. Okay? So what we're doing is letting it sit and getting that wonderful crust. But we're using butter and canola oil, a half a stick of canola oil, and maybe 1/4 cup of oil in order to get that crust that we're achieving. Okay? All right. See how beautiful that is? That's what you're looking for. That little crust right there. We're going to turn one over. The other was not quite what we wanted yet. But that is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So what we're going to do now is going to add some powdered sugar on it, and we'll be right back. And cinnamon. And this is what a French toast look like. And look there. That is so yummy and delicious looking. Ooh, now that's what your French toast supposed to look like. Right there, y'all. That's the top of that bread. And this is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these recipes. All right, here's the French toast. And it looks fabulous. And we're going to get ready to eat it. Okay.